Sumisigaw na si Madam. Boss, ano yung kinakain mo, boss? Ano yung kinakain mo, boss? Ano yan, boss? Bakit dami mong pagkain, boss? Boss to eh, boss. Ah? Boss. Ah, boss. Look. She's biting. She wants to eat us. Eee. Tama ko, no? Tama si Papang, no? She wants to eat everything. That's the baby. Eee. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. That baby. So silly. Hey, silly baby this is. Yes, what a silly baby. Are you a silly baby?
I think she's in outer space.
She's in outer space. She's in here in the house.
Look, those are the black things
Uh,
when it's in space. And those are the stars.
You have a great imagination. How about you take a sleep now? You sleep now so you can imagine that. Because it's time to sleep. What time is it now? It's, I think, 11 now. Yeah, it's 11:29. But still, this baby is awake. Di pa ikaw matutulog. Bakit di pa matulog yan? Tulog na
I
tayo.
just want to leap to the space.
So sleepy na.
But I want to read the Bible.
Read na. Baby, tima-tula. Tima-tima siya, dude. Tula, dude. Tima-tima. Nam-nam-nam-nam. Nam-nam-nam-nam yan siya dyan. Gusto may nguya-nguya. Kakadede niya lang eh. Kaya, good mood eh. Mamaya yun, wala na yan pag gutom. Eh, tawa ikaw. Naiintindihan mo si Papa. Naiintindihan mo si Papa. Huh? Tududut. Tududut. Nangyari din sa isa. What happened to your brother?